Exceptional Farmington Meadows patio home located in northwest Muncie. Built in 2015 with upgraded features and finishes throughout. Over 1,600 square feet with 0-step entries and 36 inches doorways. Open floor plan with beautiful and durable Acacia hardwood floors in living areas and bedrooms. Laundry room and bathrooms have porcelain tile floors. Great room features California Closets Entertainment Center. One end of the great room could be used for formal dining. Eat-in kitchen includes quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, touch kitchen faucet, tile backsplash, roof vented range hood, and stainless steel appliances. Owner's suite features tray ceiling, double closet, attached bath with walk-in closet, large-scale tile shower, and linen closet. Guest bedroom has oversized double closet. Extra features not already mentioned include 8 commodes, LED lighting throughout, remote control window blinds, tankless gas water heater, water softener, alarm system, doorbell camera and keyless entry to garage. Low/no maintenance back patio with black bamboo privacy fence. Average utilities, electric $58, gas $41. Monthly association fee is $85 which covers front lawn care and snow removal. No pets permitted with the exception of service and/or comfort animals. Directions: McGalliard to Tillotson, north to Riggin, west to Unit 55.